All right, let's look at the homework 10.1, problem number 8. All right, so let's find the parametric equation for these three line segments. All right, line segment from A to B. All right, so let's do that first. So x is going to be equal to, all right, so from A to B, so we look at the x value here, so it's going to be 1 plus, right, t times the difference between initial point and the terminal point. In this case, 4 minus 1. So we have that. So this is going to be simply 1 plus 3t. All right. Then y, you can construct exactly the same way. So the initial point, y coordinate is 1 plus t times, all right, so this difference 3 minus 1. All right, so it's going to be 1 plus 2t. All right, so let's type it in first. So here, x is equal to 1 plus 3t, and y is equal to 1 plus 2t. All right, so let's go back. Right, let's do B to C. So it's going to be, right, x is going to be, right, starting from B, so it's a 4 plus t times, right, B to C. So 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4. So that's going to be 4 minus 3t. Right? Y is equal to, right, initial point, y coordinates 3 plus t times, right, 7 minus 3. All right, so this is going to be 3 plus 4t. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so x is equal to 4 minus 3t, and y is equal to 3 plus 4t, right? And the last one, right? So we are going to from A to C, right? So you have x is going to be equal to, right? Start from 1 and t times, right? So 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1. It's actually, this is going to be just 1. All right, y is equal to 1 plus t times, all right, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, so it's going to be 1 plus 6t. All right, so let's type it in. All right, oops. All right, so x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1 plus 6t. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, I came back and we got all the parametric equations correctly. All right, then let's see. Let's try to sketch these pictures. All right, I'm gonna bring out the GeoGebra. All right, so we have to type in those points. So you have 1, 1. Hit enter. Boop. Let's see. It went away. 1, 1. Hit enter. All right, we got A. So B is 4, 3. So we type in 4, 3 and hit enter. All right, we got that. And C is 1, 7. All right, 1, 7 and hit enter. All right, we have to probably move this a little bit so that we can see all 3 points. All right, so we have all 3 points. All right, then A to B equation is, so I'm going to say curve. All right. And for the first expression is 1 plus 3t, and y is 1 plus 2t, and the parameter is t, and it's going to go from 0 to 1, and hit enter. All right, so we have a line segment from A to B. All right, B to C, so I'm going to say curve. All right. And the first expression is 4 minus 3t. And the y is 3 plus 4t. And the parameter is t. and from 0 to 1, and then hit enter. All right, we got from B to C and A to C. So here we're gonna have a curve. All right, then the first one is 1, and the y is 1 plus 6t, and next one is t and 0 and 1, and hit enter. All right, we have that. So you can see that we could form a triangle by drawing these 3 line segments. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.